What is up? This is Wayne from Fade to Black, and I finally got all the windows faded on this motorhome. Now, I already made a video about how I did chrome on the windows, and I also made a video on how I did the largest visor strip on this one. But now I got the windshield fully tinted, I got the side windows tinted, and this thing is fully faded. So like I said before, I got chrome window tint on the sides. I got a 50% ceramic full windshield to block out the heat. I got a 5% visor strip. And on the front two windows, I went with 20% ceramic as well to block the heat and give it a little more privacy. I know window tinting isn't for everyone and you don't have to go crazy dark, but I want to have a little privacy and I want to be able to remain more comfortable without the sun roasting me as I travel down the highway. So thank you guys for watching. I have a full video on how I installed this full 50% ceramic windshield coming real soon. Until then, stay faded. Peace.